Okay.
Anyway, I'm just about to pull into the shopping center.
Okay. Well, yeah, I don't want to just go home and sit, so I'm going to be out for a while and
Oh, no, that's fine. Just don't get caught in traffic.
Okay. Yeah, there's not much traffic around here.
Okay. All right. I can talk a minute, but I'm almost to pull into the shopping center. I can't remember if that phone place was, I can't remember if that phone place was by Macy's or if it was by, Macy's or if it was by, Penny's.
Yeah, I don't know.
There's a parking place right in front. I guess I could try parking here and just hope nobody hits my car. I don't trust people because they bang their car.
Yeah. There's a canyon up here that has a huge amount of orange trees.
No.
I drove 8 miles back in this canyon. It was nothing but oranges. And then I came across a prison.
A prison?
Yeah. There's a prison back here.
Well, if you want, I can call you and tell you when I'm headed home.
Yeah, why don't you do that?
Okay. Well, I'm talking to you out of my car phone, so when I turn off the engine, it's going to disconnect us.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so I'll call you when I'm headed home.
Okay, doll.
Okay, honey.
Okay, love you, hon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Love you too. Bye-bye.